When someone says cactus, do you picture something like this?
It wouldn't be too surprising if you do. The saguaro is one of the best known members of the cactus family. You've seen them in the Hollywood westerns. They're all over the Southwest in popular culture. Saguaros look like people. These factors have all made the saguaro a true icon of the American West. Actually, the saguaro isn't found throughout the West. Instead, it's found mainly in southern Arizona and northwestern Mexico, in North America's Sonoran Desert. Even within this small range, the saguaro is limited to areas with conditions that meet its specific needs.
Hi, I'm Ranger Phillip. Welcome to Saguaro National Park on the outskirts of Tucson, Arizona. This is prime saguaro habitat. Here, gravelly, well-drained soils, intense sunlight, proper slope, and temperature all converge to make this saguaro paradise.
Do you know what it takes for a cactus like this one to be standing here now? Each year in May and early June, saguaros bloom. Each 2 to 3 inch wide flower opens late at night and lasts only until the next afternoon. Saguaros are pollinated by bats at night and by birds and bees during daylight hours. Pollinated flowers mature into fruits, each of which may contain 2,000 tiny seeds. In an average 150-year lifetime, a single saguaro may produce 40 million seeds. Most of these seeds are eaten by birds, rodents, ants, and other animals. They are also scattered by wind and rain. But if they're eaten by certain birds, such as white-winged doves, they may pass through the digestive system and be deposited with the bird's droppings. If this occurs beneath a tree or shrub that will protect the seed, it may have a chance to sprout. Such plants are referred to as the saguaro's nurse plant. They provide cool shade, higher humidity, and cover from animals. They can be desert trees, shrubs, or even other cacti. If it rains soon after the seed is deposited, it could germinate, but it will require fairly consistent intermittent rains throughout a year or two to stay alive and grow. These conditions occur very rarely in the arid desert climate. If the seedling survives, it will grow slowly. This 2-inch specimen may already be 10 to 20 years old. As it grows and increases in size, it's able to photosynthesize more, produce more sugars and starches, and so grow more rapidly. At 30 years, a saguaro may be 2 feet tall. At 35 to 50 years of age, and at about 6 to 8 feet in height, a saguaro begins flowering. Between the ages of 55 and 80, a saguaro may begin to grow branches, commonly called arms. It might grow 1, 2, or more arms at a time. It might grow none at all. Branches provide more area for photosynthesis and more room to grow flowers. Remember those 40 million seeds? Of all those seeds, on average, one of them lives to be a mature reproducing saguaro, replacing its parent plant, so you can see why each saguaro is so special. Because of their restricted range, slow growth, and environmental needs, saguaros are vulnerable to changes in habitat and climate. Modern progress has left large stands of saguaros like this pretty much restricted to protected lands. The goal of Saguaro National Park is to protect this giant cactus and its habitat, including the other plants and animals that make up this slice of the Sonoran Desert. We're here so that there will always be this icon of the American West for you, your children, and theirs to see.